Should you stop using it in your baked goods because it is bad for your health? Well, you came to the right place. This article will provide you the answers in knowing what baking powder is, how it works, its types, and why it can be bad for you. What is baking powder, and how does it work? Baking powder has sodium bicarbonate. It is acidic since it is a complete leavening agent. That is why it is commonly used without additional acidic ingredients. And it only requires a liquid to become activated. Moreover, baking powder is made up of the cream of tartar, cornstarch, and baking soda. It is also a combination of a weak acid that is utilized to lighten the texture and add baked goods. Hence, it is a dry chemical leaving agent that works by releasing CO2, carbon dioxide, through an acid-base reaction resulting in bubbles. It is the preferred option whenever the batter lacks the elastic structure to hold gas bubbles, or there is a need to speed the production. Single-acting baking powders. They are categorized through the kind of acid they use, especially cream of tartar that produces gas instantly when combined with baking soda and a liquid. On the other hand, slower single-acting baking powders are phosphate baking powder with either disodium pyrophosphate or calcium phosphate. Hence, single-acting baking powder immediately creates most of its gas when combined with a liquid. However, single-acting baking powders are usually for food manufacturers and not typically accessible for household use. Double-acting baking powders. This is the most common type of baking powder commercially. The double-action type of baking powder produces two different reactions. The first reaction occurs when it mixes with liquid at room temperature, releasing a small amount of gas. For this reason, this type of powder allows a batter to last longer in an unbaked condition. And the second reaction occurs once the mixture has been heated. Also, it is beneficial to have a prolonged reaction because ascent and yeast do not occur simultaneously. Is baking powder bad for you? It is used to treat upset stomachs caused by acid reflux irritation and is safe enough to consume for most people as an antacid a couple of times. However, it can have problems if not utilized properly. Excessive baking powder will not make the end cake better. Also, it will make its taste unpleasant. Though, all the baking powders contain sodium bicarbonate, similar to baking soda. It also has two kinds of acids. Monocalcium phosphate is one of these acids and does not react with it while it is dry. Baking powder's shelf life. It can last for about 6 to 18 months. It is ideal for keeping it in a cool, dry place. Avoid putting it in the refrigerator since moisture can spoil it. Add a small amount of water to it, and if it fizzes, then it is still good. Conclusion. Baked goods can vary significantly in their distinct acidity level. That is why it is best to add small quantities to your baked goods since baking powder can be bad for you, especially in high amounts, leading to serious complications due to allergic reactions and overdose. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.